Just listed, turnkey pool home in Lake Havasu City. Discover your slice of paradise with this stunning 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, boasting a delightful open living area complemented by soaring vaulted ceilings and a practical split floor plan. Welcome to a backyard oasis designed for ultimate leisure, a pebble tech pool, indulgent spa, and an extraordinary water slide. Immerse yourself in this fully furnished turnkey property, a popular and quickly booked Airbnb destination. Culinary enthusiasts will revel in the chef's kitchen featuring granite countertops, an island for expanded prep space, and upgraded appliances. Elegantly appointed with tile and wood flooring, the ambiance is enriched with a charming rock fireplace, ideal for those chilly desert evenings. Storage is a breeze with a 2-car garage including 23-foot and 30-foot deep bays, not to mention convenient side RV boat parking for your outdoor adventures. And with close proximity to the Havasu Riviera launch, your gateway to waterfront fun is just moments away. If you're in search of a home that caters to a true resort lifestyle with a backyard playground for all ages, look no further. To learn more about this home or are curious about the Lake Havasu real estate market, just head over to havasulu.com.